So hey, today I'm doing a video that I did do a while ago. I don't want to make this one to me, but I don't, but yeah, I'm not alone. Come here Josh, you're with me. And yeah, today we're going to be eating inedible food. So yeah, we've got a variety of food here. We're going to be trying it. Let's go.
So basically, all it is we have different food and we're going to try them each, and yeah, you're just going to watch our reaction to the different food.
Right, so first off we have this, and it's called cayenne pepper. So yeah, it's that. It doesn't look too convincing, but yeah, we're going to eat it.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Really good.
Horrible.
I've got it on my drink.
Oh, my mouth is on fire.
I think I'm allergic to milk food. I hate milk. Oh, I've never tried milk as well. My mouth's still hot. If milk can't do it, there's only one more thing that can. Chocolate.
I spiked my drink by accident.
Which one's the cover out? No, I'm so mean. Right, well, that's one down, so I need new water. My dog. So next up we have Marmite. Now apparently some people love it, some people hate it. We're about to find out, so are you ready?
No.
Look, I've got that on, and Josh, you need more. Right, there you go, that's about fair. There we go, Josh, hold up on Marmite right here. Yeah, look.
Oh, my mouth's on fire.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's not too bad actually.
Are you guessing?
Better than you kidding. It's spicy.
Why would you eat that for pleasure? It's actually depressing how disgusting that is. It's not sour, it just has a foul taste. Get it out of you. Oh my gosh.
Got a cold top now.
Why did I do this video? It was a rubbish idea from the start. Right, so after that, I think we figured this next one is not going to be too bad. I'm kind of guessing it's not going to be too bad. Anyway, it's just herbs really, just mixed herbs. So
Oh, my mouth is on.
shut up, Josh. We don't have the time for this. You get it? Cause like time the herb and
Kill yourself. I'm waiting.
run out of spoons, except for the ones that are in the liquidy kind of ones. So we're just going to take a pinch of this. And yeah, basically it. Each got our pinch here. Here's my pinch.
Here's my pinch.
Right, and 3, 2, 1.
Don't get it.
Oh, right, okay.
It's actually not that bad.
It's actually not that bad.
That's probably not bad.
But you're not allowed to spit that out of your mouth. No, go on, Josh. Swallow. Yes. It's what your life is for. Do it, Josh. Round of applause here. Well done, Josh. Wow, you've got 2 benefits. So that one wasn't that bad, but I don't think we deserve this after it. But we're going to do this. So I'm hoping this is going to be nice. Just by the look of it, Maltese are hot chocolate. And I'm hoping that's going to be nice. You know, because the rest aren't that nice.
It's horrible.
Did you see it?
Yeah, it's horrible.
Well, I guess it's up to me. We've got to have a lot of this. Josh, you're choking.
No,
Good. Right, so 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Right.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Oh,
You've got a bit too much in it.
Wait. Stop, put it in. I need a spoon. Wait, can I have a spoon?
We've run out. Alright, go ahead.
Just look appetizing.
Not really.
It's a full mix. This is what it looks like.
It looks really nice, by the way. It's a very
Tasty.
sexy drink.
Right, so.
Yeah. Let's watch Josh drink that.
No, do I have to drink all of it?
Yeah. Go on, Josh. You've got to drink it all now. No, that's not drinking it, Josh. Yay! And Josh was drinking it all. Wow.
Look at the sugar at the bottom.
Where? Oh, that's weird. Ew. So we've got 2 left. Which one do you want to do? Right, we'll do this one. We'll do this. Mustard. Josh, you willing to try mustard?
No.
What? Yeah, come on, Josh.
No.
Oh, guess it's just me then. I think 1 tongue dip ought to do it. What do you know? It's fine. Oh, fine.
What do you know? It's fine. What do you know? It's fine. Oh, what do you know? It's fine. It's fine. Spencer, you don't know.
Strike! Right. Do you want to do the final food?
I'll go first.
No. Right.
Do it together, Spencer.
Josh, you were scared, you skipped the mustard, so you have to eat all of the bowl.
All of the bowl.
All of the bowl. No, hang on, I want some first. So, oh yeah, I forgot to say, this is sweet chili sauce original, and it's made with dragons. So, yeah. So before I eat this, I just want to give a quick shout out to the Bottle Flip Challenge. Here we go. And you could have a rest. I don't know that flavour. No, you're having more than that. You're having more than that.
No, that's a spoon. That's a spoonful.
It's not.
actually not that
Alright, go on then, put some in. Get on the camera there. Get right in front of it so they can see you cheat. Right, show the camera how much you've got. That's nothing, Josh.
bad. That's loads.
No, it's not.
Tasty.
I'm gonna eat some more.
Okay, I will eat some more.
You think it's that tasty, you'll be fine to eat some more.
And some more, like you said. No, I just don't like the things in it, like the mini peppers.
Go on, yeah, that's right, you get in their basket. Get in your basket. Bye, Josh. Tasha, get in the basket, get in the basket, get in the basket. Right. How do you feel sitting in the dog's basket that I threw up in yesterday?
It's actually quite comfy, you know.
I didn't really throw up, by the way.
Really soft. So, we've tried all the foods.
Right, Josh, hang on. I think we should try dog food.
Yay!
Doggy biscuits. 3, 2, 1.
I can't bite it.
It's so...
I think I broke my tooth.
Okay.
What? No.
I'm going for another.
No. No. Never again.
You've got to eat one more. Eat one more. I've eaten 2.
Should I try meat chunk?
If you want, yeah.
Are you going to try meat chunk?
I just had one. I have.
There you have it.
Swallow my breath.
There you have it, had a meat chunk. Let me
Alright.
see. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. There's no meat chunk in there.
Fine.
There's no meat
You
chunk.
eat one and I'll eat one.
Eat half each.
No, 3, 2,
One.
1. Okay. Right, give me time. You didn't put it in. You'll slide. 3, 2, 1.
Feels like sponge. This isn't meat.
What's that?
No.
And I'm not eating it, by the way. I didn't eat any of it. So you get for not trying mustard. Ow! Ow! I've got chunks in my eye. Give me that chunk. Oh great, now squashed in. It's now officially part of our floor. Thanks, Josh.
You're welcome.
Feels like a bullet, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You hit me on the back of the head.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, but you could have.
Oh. I feel ill.
King here to make you feel
So
it.
hey guys, I finished all the foods, and now it's time to go.
Alright, so yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. His Instagram link will be in the Get on, Josh. Right, his Instagram link will 100% not be in the description. So yeah, if you find it out somehow. I mean, you can go and follow him if you want. Suppose I did say it, so his link will be in the description. But look at him, look at that boy. Do you actually want to follow him? Right, so if you have enjoyed this video, I don't know why you would have unless you are a demon, because you've just watched us torture ourselves. But if you've read my new channel art, then I suppose that's what I'm here to do. So yeah, I mean, thanks for watching. Go follow Josh. His link will be in the oh God, it's in the description. Alright, so thank you for watching. Go follow that ginger, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.